this is how you change the ignition coils on your Volkswagen CC. So you're gonna open the door over here. You're gonna pop the hood. So you pull this little lever. It's pretty quiet. Then you're gonna come to the front, and there's a latch right here. Pull it up. The ignition coils are found underneath this piece. It's got a couple little brackets on it. You just pull up on it. It shouldn't be too hard. You can see these little things right here clip into right here. So your ignition coils are right here. What you're gonna do first, there's little tabs right here. You're gonna pull those back. You may need to use a screwdriver, and then if you need to, it should just pop. There you go. Just pull right back. If not, you gotta undo these tabs to get, I don't know if you heard that pop. Push this back so you can see that they're undone. Next, you've got your ignition coils. So what you're gonna do is you can just pop these up, and they come out fairly easy if you're using both of your hands. Let me get that again with my screwdriver. Just pop it up. So I had to wiggle that just a little bit, and then it pops up. And then all you're gonna have to do is with your new one, you're gonna push it back down in there, and then hook this up. Make sure you can see the little tab in there. Make sure not to break that off. Mine had the broken one over there. So just make sure to lift that up and then push it back on. And that's how you change your ignition coils. I forgot to say that when you buy your ignition coils, buy OEM ones. Do not buy aftermarket ones. I bought these ones. They were $100 for all 4 of them. And they lasted me about 3 months, and then started having misfires on all cylinders. So I ended up having to buy the OEM ones anyways. You can see a little bit of difference. This one's an OEM one. It's got connections all the way down it, where the non-OEM ones only have connections at the very bottom. I'm presuming that makes a difference. But like I said, the non-OEM ones lasted me 4 months, and then I had to rebuy them anyways. So these were $300 for 4 OEM, $100 for the non-OEM. If you have any questions, let me know.